Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you where the fuse box locations of a Land Rover Sport is located. For me, I had to search for 3 different locations, and I'm going to show you where it is located, so you don't have to search for yourself. Before we start our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us support by liking our videos. We have more than 250 videos on our channel. Have a look on different model cars, on tips and tricks, and service reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, the first one is located under the engine hood. You have to unscrew these screws over here from 4 different places, and as you open, there is one box, the fuse box. Open this one, click this open, and there is the fuse box for the engine area located. Okay, the second one is the interior fuse box. Interior fuse box is, you have to go to the glove compartment over here. I opened it already. You have to open this like this, and there is located. It is located on the right side. As you can see, there are the fuses of the interior. Okay. To open the glove box, there is a mechanism on the right side and on the left side. If you have this one, you have to press that to open it downstairs. On both sides, press it open, and you'll find the fuse box. The third one is located in the trunk. Okay, that's on the right side of the trunk. Over here, on the right side, the fuse box. But also look. These are the 3 places where the fuse boxes are located of Range Rover or Land Rover models cars. I hope this helped you. Did it help you, and did you subscribe yet? Subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, bye bye.